Right, so I just wanted to do a short video for an update, basically, on basically what's been going on the blog. I find this video quite a lot easier and time saving. So if you look at the blog, I have had my order. I'm given the reasons for my order. Now the things I have changed quite a bit. I was looking to enter this move from the support line here at the 330 mark, to target my take profit, which is around about the 133.65 mark. But I was too late to get into that movement, so I tried to get in on that retrace for a retest at that higher level at 50.53. But instead, the market is showing quite a bit of a downward move, and what you see here is I have reduced my order, and my stop loss is currently here. I will keep an eye on that trade. What keeps me at the moment still in this one, with not too much of a worry, is the fact that we've got some support here. Now what we're seeing here hopefully is just a sort of like what we might see is a bit of a range going on, or happening, I'm hoping to see, and then a break back towards the upside. If not, I will consider reducing my order even more. Right, and let's have a look at the US dollar Swiss franc. We're on a daily chart here. We go to the 8-hourly chart. So it gave us a nice little setup after this move here to go short. But once again, you've got to, my money management really incorporates a retest of the previous support or the previous resistance. So also what I'm hoping for here is that this resistance that you see here, which is also coming quite some time, if you follow my cursor, look to the left, there is some sort of resistance here. So we will just keep an eye on that one, and see what price action we get. Give it another couple of hours and see what we see in the 1 hourly time frame. There you see it now. We've already spotted some market consolidation, some sort of uncertainty. So we will keep an eye on that. I am not too worried about this one yet, because all of my trade criteria is still intact. So I'll keep you posted on this one. As for the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, right, I have also, if you can remember, or if you're following my blog, you will see that I have basically added on this position here. But what we're seeing now is market is basically consolidating there, which is a range, and it's breaking through. So I've gone ahead and I've exited that trade. So this trade here is still live, but my add-on position, I've cancelled my add-on position there for a slight loss. I think it's a 4 pip loss or something. So yeah, that's basically where I am at the moment. Oh yeah, there's one more currency pair. So we're still on the positive side on this one. Now if we look at the bigger sort of picture, everything here is intact. You'll see my target is around about the 93.20 mark, and this target is based on a weekly time frame. I'm not going to get the weekly time frame up. You can do it in your own time. You can sort of see my target there is 93.27 to be exact, and this is my stop loss well here below. I've got very little on this trade because when I entered it, I have basically counted in for being in the market for a longer period of time. So I'm watching these trades as they develop, and as the market sort of like develops. I'm not overall too worried about everything. The last one that I want to just quickly touch on is Australian dollar, Swiss franc. This is a trade that I set it up yesterday. I spotted that, and it is working well. There's a nice move towards the downside. It's closed several times below that resistance now, and I'll just be watching that. Hopefully, we are in for a good profit to the 93.07 mark. My money management is well above. I'm quite happy with that. We will see once again, once price gets to this target here, what the price action tell us. If it had to break through there, there's a huge potential here for quite a big profit to be made. But yeah, so there's about, we are into that one, 477. We are right now here by 397. So there's about 60 pips, 70 pips there. Let's count. 20, 40, 60, 70, around about 70 pips in profit. But yeah, that is it. I hope that helps you guys. Let me know what you think.